Master. Hi everyone, welcome to .NET Master. So guys, today I'm going to be discuss about about the placements. So guys, I have seen so many graduates still lots of confusing which course need to be take, you know which course need to be take to get a job. Okay. So and I have seen that so many colleges they don't have any campus placements also. Okay, campus placements also, some students are going to the campus placements. Okay, first of all what I'm trying to say is, see, if you are not able to crack the interview in the campus placements, so nothing to be worry about it. Okay, nothing to be worry about it, guys. Okay, don't take that serious about if you not crack any interview job. Still lot of companies are there. Don't worry about if you not get any job in your campus. Okay, still you can get a job, good job. I'm saying about the good job. Okay, so this is the first point. See, and the second point is, see, and second point, very important point, if you don't have any campus placement facility in your college, then also don't to be worry. Okay, so guys, so if let's suppose if you not get placed in any in the companies. Okay, so what you need to do is, what is the next step? So what is the next step if you not crack any campus placements? Okay, so simple thing is there, guys. Companies, they are looking someone good skill, one practical skill, that you need to be showcased, that what your portfolio, what you can do in IT services. Okay, see, they don't, they want something. Do you have any technical idea end to end in advanced level, that they are checking. See, you are from the .NET background, you are from the Java background, they're not much worry about all these things. What exactly they are looking is, do you have any idea about understanding about the what is project, functionality, what is functionality, and are you able to develop the application from the scratch? Do you have any basic idea, software development life cycle? They are going to be checked. And the most important, they are going to be check about the soft communication skills, soft skills, communication skills. See, guys, you remember this is most important skills, guys, I can say. See, engineering means what? Only two things. One is a communication skills, and second is a problem solving. Okay, communication skills and problem solving. Okay, so these two skills are most important, I can say. Okay, so you develop, after completing your engineering, you are going to be develop only two skills. One is a communication skills and problem solving skills. Okay, so let's suppose, think like that, you practically, let's suppose if I give one understand, let's suppose if I describe you one problem, you identify the problem, try to write down steps to how to solve that problem, how, what software you are providing, so that you are going to be solve that problem. So that's what all about the software developments. Okay, so you basic, so we in our .NET Master, we help you about from the scratch, what is software, how, what is functionality, what is the software development life cycle, what is, software company follow the methodologies like agile methodologies, waterfall methodologies. From the scratch, we help to the students. And technically we are going to be help you all these things. And apart from these things also, we help you in resume building, mock interviews, LinkedIn profile optimization, Naukri profile optimization. Okay, so guys, don't worry, don't think too much. Okay, so just check our results. We are here to help you out. Okay, if anybody is interested about more, I am happy to be discuss with you one to one, so that it's very clarify. If you discuss with expert, always discuss with expert. Okay, if you try to discuss with expert, you will get some idea what problems you are facing. Okay, so and I'm going to one more important point, mock interviews, guys. So lots of students, they are directly going to the companies. Okay, they failed, so better you take some one mock interview, and you will get some confidence, then you can easily crack that interviews. Okay, so if anybody is interested about our training program we are doing for the we are placement assistance for the campus placements, And off campus also, if anybody is interested to be joined .NET Master, please message, DM in Insta. So our team is going to be reach out to you. Okay. Thank you very much.